Welcome to this guided meditation. Today we are going to focus on letting go of what no longer serves us. Find a nice quiet place where you can sit or lie down. There is no right or wrong here. The most important thing is that you feel comfortable. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. And then slowly exhale through your mouth. As you breathe out, feel the tension leaving your body. Repeat this a few times, allowing yourself to fully arrive in this moment. Notice the rise and fall of your chest with each breath, letting it become slower and steadier. Now gently bring your attention to the points of contact between your body and the surface you're resting on. Feel the stability of the ground beneath you, supporting you. Imagine roots extending from your body into the earth, grounding you, connecting you to a place of strength and stability. As you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, bring to mind everything in your life that no longer serves you. This could be a habit, a thought pattern, a relationship, or even a feeling. There's no need to judge or resist it. Simply acknowledge it. Now imagine this thing as a leaf on a tree connected by a small stem. With your next deep breath in, envision the stem becoming weaker. As you exhale, imagine the leaf gently detaching, carried away by a soft breeze. Watch as it drifts further away from you, dissolving into the distance. Feel the lightness as you let it go, knowing it no longer has a hold on you. Take a moment to notice the space that has been created within you by letting go. Breathe into that space, filling it with a sense of peace and freedom. As you breathe in, welcome in feelings of calm, clarity, and openness. As you breathe out, release any remaining tension or worry. Rest here in this state for a few moments, savoring the sense of liberation. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Begin to gently wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of release and freedom with you as you go about your day. I hope this meditation helps you feel lighter and more at peace. Reach out to me with any questions you may have. I'm here for you. Thank you so much for joining me. Wishing you a beautiful day. Namaste.